Hi, welcome to Market Conversations. Just want to do a quick video on Bed Bath & Beyond. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes. So on Friday, we finally had a red day, which is good for the stock to continue to go higher, a good pullback. We did have 5 green days. On Friday, it closed at 0.2825. Take a look at a 4-hour chart here. We did have a hard time breaking above this resistance of 0.22. And then we finally did hit a high of 0.35 the other day. So I currently have 6,400 shares. I did sell some shares just because I was down on a different stock that I had to average out and buy some options on, which was really terrible idea. Never buy short-term options. That's how I got destroyed in the market. Take a look at my orders. So I got filled May 25th. I sold 3,600 shares at 0.289. Then I bought again at 0.30. Then I sold 5,000. And then I bought more. So it's kind of like a roller coaster. What I need to do with Bed Bath & Beyond is just hold it. No matter what. I just need to hold my shares. So I need to save us some more money so I can buy more BBBY. Let's go ahead and take a look at an article. It's titled, "The time to bet against Bed Bath & Beyond is now." How can anyone bet against the stock when it is so low, 30 cents? I mean, I feel like there's more upside than to the downside with the stock right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Some retail traders are still pushing for a Bed Bath & Beyond short stock squeeze. That's me. However, the retailer has filed for bankruptcy, delisted from the NASDAQ, and is closing its stores across the country. Everything about the company suggests investors should bet against BBBY. So BBBY is making headlines again for all the wrong reasons. Meme stock investors are proving that they can't let go of the company no matter how much evidence suggests they should. As Investor Place's Eddie Pan reports, some investors are evidently still betting on a short squeeze. While Bed Bath has been a favorite among meme stock investors for some time, the company has much less going for it than it did at the time of the last short squeeze. In August 2022, noted investor Ryan Cohen cashed out his entire stake in the company, sending shares plunging. They haven't recovered since. Now, retailer investors are betting on a company that has both filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy and delisted from the NASDAQ. Does it sound irrational to bet on such an unstable stock? It should, but the army of retail investors still pushing for a Bed Bath & Beyond short squeeze have made it clear nothing will deter them. This comes at a time when shorting stock would make much more sense. After starting the day off on a positive note, BBBY stock is back in the red. Today's shares closed down by around 5%. This week, the only positive shares experience was driven by speculation of someone new taking control as Bed Bath's upcoming stalking horse bid approaches. Some investors are rooting for Cohen to step in again. Others would rather see Caro take control of the company. Neither of the famed investors have expressed any actual interest in getting involved. There are bigger problems facing Bed Bath as well. The retailer has been closing stores across the country and slashing prices in an attempt to clear out merchandise. According to a recent report, the remaining 360 Bed Bath & Beyond locations will close by the end of the year. This comes after the company closed plenty of stores in 2022. Of course, it doesn't take an in-depth quantitative analysis to see that shuttering retail location doesn't bode well for growth, but Bed Bath's issues go well beyond store closures. Investor Place contributor David cited the company's heavy debt load and massive share sale of up to $300 million back in early May, among other problems. Retail investors will continue pushing the narrative that a short squeeze is coming. I believe it's still possible, especially in the OTC market. We have seen stocks go from $1 all the way to 50, 60. So there is still a chance. A bunch of catalysts coming up. Why not? Let's go ahead and take a look at the chart again. I'm hoping we can see at least 0.5 in the next few weeks. And then my goal is that it hits $1 so I can get out. I missed out on a lot of opportunities. All these tech stocks, the FANG stocks, are going crazy the last week. NVIDIA, AMD, Meta, any tech stocks, any of the FANG stocks are currently up. And if you're in Chinese stocks, if you're in PayPal, which I'm in, all dead money. Neo, dead money. Unfortunately, I keep making poor mistakes, but the year is not over. So as long as we have some money and as long as we continue to save and trying to make better decisions. Hopefully we can make our money back. Let me know in the comments if you bought more shares of BBBY, and thanks for watching.